So, you guys might be wondering, what has this to do with bikes? To answer your question, I want to be attending a couple of meetings soon, and one of which is the Tomo Shop meeting, which is the last Saturday of May. And yeah, I live in the top of the Netherlands, and well, Tomo Shop is in the middle of the Netherlands, so I don't want to be renting a car or a trailer every time. So that's why I bought this thing. It was around $100 or €100. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty rusty. The wood is all worn out and needs to be replaced. As well as this thing, it works, but it needs to be replaced. So that's what we're gonna do with this project. I want to be keeping 2 bikes on here. I already test fitted it and it works. We can fit 2 bikes on there, but I want to be able to get rid of the back part. I want to be able to get rid of this thing. You can unfold it like this now, but I don't know, just doesn't fit. We can test fit the blue on here right now. Need to be careful of those nails sticking out. Alright. Alright. So it's not that easy to roll it up right now. Never mind. Well, there's no car in front of it, so I'm not able to put the bike on it, but it fits. I can show you a photo that it fits. So yeah, let's get it back here. It's not that heavy, but I don't know. I like this car. It was cheap. We need to get some wood. We need to get some new metal parts, and we need to replace these wheels. They have some damage to them. You can't really see it, but there are some cracks in the rubber. That happens when they leave them in the sun. It's pretty rusty underneath as well. So yeah, you guys can expect a couple of videos with me just rebuilding this thing and making it perfect again. We need to do some electric work because the indicator lights don't work. Brake signal only works on the right side, but the tail lights work on both sides. And yeah, we need to get a number plate, and we need to get a towing hook for my car, because I don't have that yet. I brought this thing home with my parents' car. So yeah, and this electric wire is pretty oxidized, as you can see. So yeah, probably need to get a new one for that as well. Yeah, so let's start getting rid of the wood.
You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a list all around it.
Send me your location. Never pulling up, girl, we going out of state. Popping bottles, turning up. Tell me what it do. Baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it through. Tell me where you at, me your location. Never pulling up, girl, we going out of state. Popping bottles, turning up. Tell me what it do. Baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it through. Tell me where you at, little baby. Pull up to the battle, shawty, hop in the Mercedes. On this trending topic, I'm on top, I'm feeling wavy. Girl, you better stop it, no, you not gon' have my baby. Whoa, what's up for the us, they tryna pay me. Whoa, shawty, I'm inside, you can't keep it on the low. Gotta go for a ride. Tell me where you wanna go. I'm in here for the night. Gotta say, yeah, you know it. I'll be by your side. Send me your location. Girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state. Popping bottles, turning up. Baby, what it do? Baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it through. Tell me where you at, me your location. Girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state. Popping bottles, turning up. Baby, what it do? Baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it through. Tell me where you at, little baby. Little baby, little baby, little baby, little baby.
Alright, so the last few things we need to do is to remove this electrical wire underneath this wood, and then all the wood has been removed. So it was not that difficult. Some bolts were rusted in place, so they kept turning, like this one. So I still need to remove that, but all the wood is mostly gone, so that's a pretty good thing. And yeah, we need to check these wires, and we need to check why the brake light doesn't work and why the turn signals don't work. So yeah, let's remove this. There we go. Alright, so this is all the wood removed. It's pretty rusty, and it really needs a respray. So yeah, I'm going to remove all these bolts that are left over from removing the wood. We need to check the wires. I'm gonna do that in the next video. I'm gonna check why they don't work. I'm gonna clean up this metal in the next video. I'm going to clean up this wood. Say goodbye to that. It's all wet and worn out. I can't even lift it up without breaking it. So with all the wood removed, we have to do some metal work in the next video. We have to do some electric work, and I will be looking for some new wheels. Yeah, this one needs to be replaced. We've got some spots that are patched up, maybe from a little crack or something, and we had a little cut in the back, so we need to replace that. We're gonna replace these metal fenders as well. We're gonna replace them with plastic ones, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna do in the next video. I'm going to look for some new parts, and hopefully I will have that next video, and maybe that one after that. In the meanwhile, I will clean up this mess. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, please leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.